Hey guys, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by. So we're gonna go off a little bit today and look at something that is not paper crafting, but it's still crafting. So if you saw the video I did from the last HSN craft day, I had showed that I had picked up this crystal art. But I didn't go into depth and look at it. And I haven't looked at it myself, so I thought, let's do this together. So I bought this because our house has a type of floor plan where the kitchen, the dining room, and the, as they call it, the great room, all are like together. And come October 1st, every inch of those three areas will be filled with Halloween. Come Christmas, every inch, including the walls and the windowsills, and this is for Halloween too, will be wall-to-wall Christmas. But in between, when we get to Thanksgiving, there's a pilgrim boy, a pilgrim girl, and a turkey that sits on the counter, the island. That's it. And so when I saw this, I thought, we need a little bit more Thanksgiving in this house. And I'm not just talking about decorations. Everybody could use a little more thanks in their lives. So I thought this would be perfect. And the reason I liked it was because you're not working on one big piece, but you're working on all these individuals. So I don't know if you've done crystal art. I've done some cards from Crafter's Companion. I do have some of the, I don't know, not poster, but like 11 by 17 size. Have I done them yet? No, but I am bound and determined to do this, and I wanted to share this now before I open it up and start doing it, because football has just started. And we have a football fantasy family league, which we started last year. I don't watch football. I know nothing about football, though I did spend most of the entire season in first place last year. But I do appreciate quality family time, and that's where Sundays are spent. So I thought I could sit at the dining room table, do this, and then watch the football with the family, just for the people that are on my fantasy team. So, see, there's a method to my madness. And if you're a football fan, I'm sorry. I'm a baseball fan. I always have been. All right. All right, so this is everything, I guess. Let me put this over here. All right, so I guess the original company was Diamond Art. Diamond something. And this is crystal art. They have a lot of, hold on. They had a lot of nice things, but this was the only Thanksgiving one, and I don't need any more Halloween or Christmas stuff. So, all right, so let's take a look what we got here. Yeah, see, so all of these pieces are individual. So you've got the wreath. Hold on. Here's your pieces. Lots of pieces. Lots of pieces. Oh, I was going to say, how am I supposed to know? But there they are. It was upside down. See how much I know about what I'm doing? 0. And then I just dropped something. Oh, nothing important. Oh, well, this is so much prettier in this direction. Let me get rid of this. It's all sticky. Okay. So far, so good. So there's the wreath, which is one piece. And then there's all of these individual pieces that come out. There's leaves, acorns, berries maybe. More leaves, berries, I don't know what these are. And then some really big, the little squirrel with this little acorn. So I like that so these are right here. These are the little things that go in to hold the pieces in here. So you can, so these little things here go in here and hold it in the wreath. So you can put them anywhere, decorated however you want it. So that was appealing to me because maybe I don't want it to look like theirs, you know, maybe I want it to look different. And so this gives you a little bit of freedom and a little bit of creativity. Okay. I was looking to see what angle these were. So that's the pieces. And each, if you're not familiar with these, I'll tell you what I know. It's not a lot. So it's covered up, and then you peel it off little by little, just one section at a time, so that it doesn't lose its stickiness. And so here are all the different colors. They're very fall looking. So there's some clear, and then some, they remind me of the little gems in paper crafting. So each one is labeled with a letter which corresponds to, let me fix this, I think there we go, which corresponds here. And then it tells you how many, approximately how many crystals there are in that. J, which has 2 packages, has 2,427 crystals. I probably should get started, like I said, Sunday, and work all day Sunday on this, because before you know it, Thanksgiving will be here. All right. And then, oh, this is to hang it up. It's a 3M. They think of everything, look. And then instructions, you've got your jelly wax, which is in your little package with your tray. Storage bags, coated bags, your crystal pickup pin, all the components and connection boards, how to assemble, how to use. And then they do have, you can get a sealer to ensure that the crystals don't fall out, which after all that hard work, we don't want the crystals to fall out. So I have seen, there's people on YouTube that just work on these all the time. And so I've watched some of them, but I did learn when I watched the demo on HSN, I can get this open, that when I was doing my cards that I was doing them, I was doing this glue type thing wrong. Let me see if I can get this out. So initially this is all new to me. Hold on. All right. So initially you take this little thing and you stick it in, and it takes and pops out a thing. And every time it would wear out, then I would do it again. But it's still there. And so when I watched the demo on HSN, she said just to kind of go like this and scrape it, and then it fills it back up to where you can use it instead of, poking the whole hole. It lasts a lot longer. I thought that was a good tip. And evidently that's how they want you to do it, because this is the only little square that you get for all of these pieces. So we'll see how that works out. So let me know in comments if you picked up any of this crystal art, and if so, what did you pick up? I like this one too. Look, it has a thing where you can put more than it looks like you can do 3, like when you're doing like here where there's so many in a row. Instead of putting them individually, you can go like that and put them in. I would think you would have to have a heavy, steady hand. So we'll give that one a try too. So anyway, so that's it. So I don't know, wish me luck, and when it's done, I will show you. If you have any hints, leave them in comments. If you pick this one up, let me know in comments. If you picked up any of their other ones, they had some really cute Christmas ones. They had a Christmas tree, that went like that. So, but let me know if you got any of those, pick them up, and if you do this all the time and you pick these up, let me know if there was any difference in the crystal art as opposed to the diamond art. I think the diamond art is, I don't know, but I'm thinking that the diamond art is all like this, not like these crystal pot pieces. I don't know. Supposedly when they're up, they should sparkle. I don't know. Can you tell I don't know anything? I have no clue. I have no clue at all. And I'm hoping this will be relaxing and fun. And I'm hoping that it will help me pass the entire day of football games. That I enjoy so much watching. So, all right. Leave me comment. Leave me comment about anything. I don't care. It's like, but let me know what you think. Do you think it's cute? I thought it was cute. But if you don't think it was cute, tell me the truth. I don't know. Maybe it'll be cute when it's all done. So, all right. That's it. I give up. All right. So, this was so informative, huh? Aren't you glad you stopped by? Keep a good thought. That I don't get bored of this really quick, or I go cross-eyed. That is a good possibility. Because some of these are really, I don't even know what this letter is. It must be the J's because there's so many of them. Lots of J's. So, keep a good thought for me. All right. So that's it. So, if you'd like to see more adventures in me not knowing what I'm doing, and you haven't subscribed yet, I'm sure that this is going to make you want to subscribe. Because, you know, what else you got to do? But if you do, you can hit that subscribe button. And then you can hit that bell, and that bell will tell you when there's another informative video to watch. Yeah. So, there's also a thumbs up, because if you like to see me torture myself, that thumbs up will tell me you like it. So, all right, that's it. I don't know. I'm starting to regret my decision already, and I haven't even put the first stupid crystal down. I don't know. Is there any hope for me? Stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. All right, so until the next one, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.